Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the show. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Hooked on OC. We're really glad to be back in person doing these cooking segments and all these business segments. You guys have been responding well to it, so thanks so much. And right now, it's my joint, man. We're on the corner, on the way home, on the way out. 589 Route 50, crabs to go. No, I do not own the place, but I love these ladies. Jasmine, did she warn you I'm a hugger? Yeah! Jane, what's up? Come on.
Hey.
Good to see you. Good to see you. So Jasmine and Jamie are gonna help us out here. The trucks are flying by and they're coming in here because the food is absolutely awesome. This looks like an absolute seafood feast here. I was here a couple weeks ago, you know, I'm here pretty much every week.
Yep.
And let's talk about the seafood market. Crabs are now Maryland crabs, so
Maryland
a lot of
crabs,
good stuff going on.
Yep, so we're getting fresh Maryland crabs in every single day, so sometimes 3 times a day, guys.
Wow.
They're coming in from Chop Tank River, Miles River. It's the best, fattest, sweetest crabs you can get. I mean,
if you get the extra
they're
larges,
nice and heavy. These are just the large.
That's
so
just large.
They get bigger. Yep.
That's just large.
Yep.
Kristen eats 3 of these and she's done, so I'm left to eat the rest of the 9.
Pair them with our white sweet corn. Can't beat it.
No.
It's a great summer night. We also have our fresh crab meat. It's coming from Hooper's Island, Maryland crab meat. It's the best of the best. We have the best pickers in town. It doesn't get much better than that. We have 3 different kinds: backfin lump, and jumbo lump. Jumbo lump is obviously the best. You get all those big lumps.
I can tell you when we go through the jumbo lump, you might find 1 or 2 shells,
Maybe.
but it's like I'm doing something wrong because I can't find any shells, but that's not the case. There's just
Yep.
hardly any in there.
Yep.
So that's the way to go
They're
if you're
good at
doing
what they
recipes
do.
that need that crab meat.
Absolutely.
For sure. And we also have our fresh seafood market. We have great choices, great selection, our 4 kinds of fish: salmon, flounder, rockfish, and tuna.
That's every day, right?
Every day. It comes in fresh every day. It's great. Everybody loves it. We also have our shrimp, our clams, scallops, oysters, mussels. It's all, we'll try to get everything as local as possible as well. So, you know, you really can't beat the freshest seafood around here. So
I didn't really realize until I just looked at that, and I've been here how many years, that there's 8 sizes of shrimp.
There's 4. So I have
okay.
2 of each size.
Got it.
On
Okay.
this tray, yes.
I'm like, what in the is going on here?
Medium, large, jumbo, and U12.
Okay, got it.
Yep.
Got it. There's going to be different size ranges in each of those sizes.
Absolutely.
That's what's going on there. Okay, that's why it confused me. But you're gonna. So those are all based on the amount of shrimp that are in a pound, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so U12, there's less than 12 shrimp in a pound.
Usually
that's huge.
exactly 12.
Yeah, that's huge. And then your 16, 20s, 16 to 20 shrimp in a pound.
26, 30, and 40 to 50. Yep.
Man, that's awesome. And look, all of this stuff, if you're coming to get any of the cold stuff or any of the hot stuff, go right next door to Raceway Sitco. 12 packs, wine, all ready to go for you. And you guys have got some like specials that people come ask for, like, hey, what should I get? What do you guys do that's really good? And you have some suggestions, right?
Yep, so these are some of our fan favorites. Our crab cake sandwich, our soft crab sandwich, our crab pretzel, and our rockfish bites.
Yep.
Amongst our huge menu, these are some of the things that people love the most. So come in and ask us what to get, and this is where we're gonna lead you.
That's no doubt. That looks like that looks like the Lennox family special right there.
Oh,
honestly, that's what we usually get. You know, we've got one of those on there for Ryan all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Kristen and I are eating that, and you guys have Sig Sriracha.
Yes, Sig Sriracha.
I asked in size.
Sriracha.
Sriracha is hard to get, man. The Sriracha sauce has been hard to get. I understand, but they've got it here, so they're making their Sig Sriracha sauce. We also put it on the soft crab, so don't be afraid to try it on the soft crab with your lettuce and tomato.
Local secret.
Yeah. And we've also got some pre-made stuff like eggs and salads.
Yep, so we do our seafood stuffed deviled eggs, macaroni salad, coleslaw, shrimp salad. This stuff is readily available at any time. You guys can come in, pick it up. You don't have to wait for it.
Yep.
It's ready for you to enjoy, made fresh every single morning.
You feel like it, call in and order. Phone number? No phone number?
410-641-9379.
She nailed it. And if you do like we do, go online before you make your order, crabstogo.com, and hit the menu. Everything pops up right there in front of you. You give them a call and tell them what you want, and it's ready when you get here. They'll tell you 15, 20 minutes if you want it right away. And if not, pick it up whatever time you want to schedule it.
Yep. Yeah, sure.
It's a beautiful thing. Guys, we'll be right back in just a second for a little bit more Hooked on OC. See you in a minute.